Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best budget air fryers in 2021 in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Secura TXG DS15, 4.2 QT budget air fryer with accessories capacity, 4.2 QT controls, manual temperature range, 180 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit 4.2 QT large capacity air fryer. The package includes accessories for flexibility. It comes with a full 60-minute timer backed by a 2-year Secura warranty. Secura offers you the best value air fryer here with its TXG D15 that comes with a 4.2 QT capacity and includes accessories to make your life easier and fun. It's manually controlled, but it comes with a full 60-minute timer, and you can select temperatures from 180 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, making you able to cook a wider range of dishes with ease. As for cons, there are no presets, but Secura includes recipe recommendations on the control surface to make it easy to remember how to make delicious chicken, steak, fries, etc. Inside the package, you'll get a toaster rack with skewers, plus the basket and pan. This package is also backed by a 2-year warranty and the power cord is 3 feet 8 inches long. Number 2. Comfy MFT N250W, 2.6 QT stylish and budget air fryer capacity, 2.6 QT controls, manual temperature range, 175 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit stylish 2.6 QT air fryer. Comes with a 2-year warranty, features a 60-minute timer. Offered at a low and attractive price, being one of the lowest priced air fryers in the market, this Comfy MFT N250W is a stylish and equally budget-friendly offer that will look good on most modern countertops. It features a 1,500 watt system and will produce heat from 175 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes with a 60-minute timer for more flexible menus. One issue with this budget air fryer, however, is that it only has a 2.6 QT capacity, and this makes it less ideal for larger groups and families. It also lacks accessories like the Secura air fryer above. Aside from these downsides, you also get menu instructions for fries, chicken, etc. on the control surface, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 3. Cosina 613-01, 3.7 QT budget air fryer plus 2 cookbooks. Modern and stylish budget air fryer. Offers a spacious 3.7 QT capacity. The package includes 2 cookbooks with 50 recipes. Comes with a solid 2-year warranty. Capacity, 3.7 QT controls, manual. Temperature range, 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cosina also makes great products, such as this budget air fryer. It's designed to offer the health benefits of air frying at an affordable price. It's in this list of the best inexpensive air fryers because of its quality construction and nice features. You get a nicely designed air fryer with dishwasher-safe parts, and a cool touch, easy grip handle. There's also a cookbook included in the package and an extra ebook that makes a total of over 50 recipes for you. This package doesn't include any racks, and you'll have to make do with a 30-minute timer. But on a brighter note, it comes at a nice price and is also backed by a 2-year warranty. Number 4. Ferial air fryer, 2.2 QT compact and unique air fryer capacity, 2.2 QT controls, manual temperature range, 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Unique and very stylish design. Temperature is adjustable from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Comes with many recipes and a cookbook. Uses only 800 watts to work. For those who love extraordinary designs, this uniquely designed budget air fryer will bring a touch of style and beauty to any kitchen. Despite its lovely design, it offers a 2.2 QT cooking capacity, and you can regulate it from 180 to 400 degrees. Where it doesn't quite impress is its 30-minute timer, which means you may have to run it twice for a 45-minute slow cook. It's also guaranteed for only 60 days, but if you love its pretty design, then you won't mind much. Also, if you are a patient cook, then you'll appreciate its low-power 800-watt design. Number 5. Dash fryer, small 1.2 QT budget air fryer in many colors. Compact and cute air fryer. Available in aqua, red, gray, white, and black. Includes a non-stick basket with stay cool handle backed by a 1-year warranty. Capacity, 1.2 QT controls, manual. Temperature range, 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This offer from Dash is one of the best affordable air fryers for singles and other similar people because it makes just enough food for one person at its 1.2 QT capacity. It's also very compact. Being compact is a big plus here, especially for students or other solo cooks that may find themselves in smaller apartments with limited space. Despite its size, this fryer offers up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit cooking temperatures using a 1,000 watt power consumption, and it comes with dishwasher-safe parts, so there's nothing to worry about. Dash backs it with a 1-year warranty. Number 6. GoWise GW22632, 2.7 QT digital and budget air fryer capacity, 2.75 QT controls, digital. Temperature range, 175 to 400 degrees F digital air fryer at a great price. Features easy to use controls. Comes with 7 presets for your convenience. Backed by a 1-year GoWise warranty. How about the best budget air fryer with digital controls? That's what GoWise offers here with this unit. It's a beautifully designed digital air fryer that's offered at a great price. It also comes in 8 colors, including black, yellow, red, teal and so on. As the first digital budget air fryer on this list, this unit also comes with 7 presets that make it easy to cook meat, cake, chicken, fish, fries, steak, and fish. You get 50 recipes that are specifically for this and other GoWise units, so you won't have any issues following them. Although its timer only lasts for 30 minutes at a go, it comes with an alarm to let you know when it's done, and GoWise backs the package with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Number 7. Tidy Life 1855, 6.3 QT manual budget air dryer large 6.3 QT budget air fryer with 1,700 watts. Offers enough food capacity for 6 people. Backed by an 18-month warranty. The package includes over 50 recipes. Capacity, 6.3 QT controls, manual. Temperature range, 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For those with larger families or who need to cook for larger groups and are searching for the best deals on air fryers that can handle plenty of food, this offer might be interesting. Tidy Life makes it with a 6.3 QT capacity, guaranteeing enough food for up to 6 people. It also comes with up to 1,700 watts of power consumption, making it able to cook meals up to 20% faster than most other air fryers. You get a 16-minute timer and temperature dial from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You also get a removable basket for easy cleaning, but the package doesn't contain extras like racks, neither does it include presets. It comes with 50 recipes though, and if you skip the 1855 and go for the 1855A, you'll get a digital control with touchscreen and presets. Number 8. Chefman Air Fryer, 6.8 QT manual budget air fryer capacity, 6.8 QT controls, manual. Temperature range, 175 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit extra large 6.8 QT air fryer capacity. Features adjustable temperatures from 175 to 400 degrees. Comes with a full 60-minute timer. The manufacturer backs it with a 1-year warranty. The Chefman Air Fryer is another great offer for those who need a budget air fryer for 5 to 7 people because it offers you all the basics and comes at a good price. Costing less than the comparable Tidy Life fryer above, you get a 6.8 QT of space, an internal basket, adjustable temperature range from 175 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 16-minute timer for more cooling freedom. For cons, there are no accessories in the package and the manual controls don't offer menu presets. For pros, you get access to the Club Chefman, which offers you plenty of exciting accessories, plus it comes with a 1-year warranty as well. Number 9. Della Air Fryer, compact 2.8 QT budget air fryer capacity, 2.8 QT controls, manual. Temperature range, 175 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit compact budget air fryer with 2.8 QT basket. Available in red, white, and black. Adjustable temperature from 175 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. The package comes with accessories. Understandably, most of the cheapest air fryers on this list come in just one color, limiting their buy the choice of any potential buyer. With this offer though, you get to choose between red, black, and white. Each unit comes with a 1,500 watt system and can generate temperatures from 175 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, making it easier to cook a variety of dishes. One downside, however, is that it only offers a 30-minute timer, which is a bit inconveniencing at times. It also doesn't have any menu presets, but it comes with pictorial food recommendations for a range of menus on its control surface. Number 10. Caloric FT43140, compact 2.6 QT budget air fryer capacity, 2.6 QT controls, manual. Temperature range, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact and powerful air fryer. Simple and easy to use system. Features a full 60-minute timer. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Caloric also makes great products and offers this 2.6 QT air fryer for those searching for the best air fryers under $100. It features an easy-to-use manual system and is the perfect size for 1 to 2 people. You get a 1,400 watt system with a 60-minute timer and up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures, allowing you to get creative with a range of dishes and delicacies. No doubt, it's a little pricey for its size, and you can get a larger air fryer for about the same price. Still, it comes with menu settings printed on its control surface, and Caloric backs it with a 1-year warranty.